Well, good morning again, everybody, or really good morning, because when we're bathing in the lake, we didn't say good morning, we just went about our bathing. So, but good morning, and it is day 110 on the trail, and we're leaving Hanover, New Hampshire, and Dartmouth College area is in the background there, or at least their sports field, their baseball, softball, and soccer fields are in the background, and we're moving out on the trail and headed on down the trail. So let's hike on. So our first trail magic in New Hampshire comes with a riddle. You are hiking northbound on the AT. You come to a fork in the trail. There are two men standing at the fork. One can only tell the truth and one can only lie. You may ask each man a question, but it must be the same question to each man. From their response, you will know which way is the correct way to the top of Katahdin. What is your question? I don't know, I have to think about that. But that was a cold drink, and we appreciate it. But now we gotta hike on. I think I know the answer to the riddle, but I guess you can write what you think in the comments. So we were exactly 6 miles into our hike, doing fairly good, just over a 2-mile-an-hour pace. Pretty good considering we've been doing a little bit of climbing and we got a full load in our backpack, and so I think we'll be okay for today. Trying to get to 21-mile mark, which means we may have to hike till 7-8 o'clock because we didn't get on till 9 o'clock, but that's okay. That'll set us up good for the rest of the week. And it looks like it's going to be a decent day today. By the forecast, good day today, good day tomorrow. And so we should be able to at least first half of the week get in some good miles. Pretty good, and we're full of energy because we took the 3rd and 4th of July off to celebrate our nation's independence. America, we must. And so that was a good time hanging out with Gadget, Ambassador, and RBA. So now we're got a lot of supplies in our backpack, got a lot of energy in our legs, and we're ready to go the mile. So let's go the mile. And we're on Moose Mountain, South Peak, and We got a pretty good view here. Well, we went through Moose Mountain South Peak. Now we're at Moose Mountain North Peak. However, North Peak is a little underwhelming. Just a point in the middle of the woods with absolutely zero view. Well, a view of the woods, but that's about it. So, Moose Mountain North Peak, you don't stand a candle to Moose Mountain South Peak. So we're heading down Moose Mountain and we come to this little clearing, and that is Smarts Mountain. And that's where, maybe not the summit, but that's where we're trying to get today. It's about 11 miles away, so we better quit talking and start moving. Well, we're climbing up the other side and came to this view. Oh man, spectacular. And it's good because we needed a little break because it is hot. We just did some serious climbing and we still got quite a bit more to go. So welcome to New Hampshire. But if they keep bringing the views like that, we can take it. Very nice. Just back to 3 and 4 layer mountains. Nice. Pretty much the same view we've had, but just a little more exposed. Very nice. And we're definitely on the edge of this. So we about 17 and a half miles into it, and we've climbed 5,000 feet. So if we do go to Smarts, we'll probably be about 6,000 feet. So definitely some good climbing on the day. We got a water source in a mile, and we're gonna have to make a call there because if we're not going all the way to the top, there's supposed to be water at the top. And so if we're going, we can just get enough to get us there. If we're not, we're gonna have to load up. So decision time will be in 1 hour or 1 mile when we get to the brook. So we are up, well, not on top, but halfway up Lambert Ridge. And this is the view. Just great. So a lot of climbing to get here, and we still got more climbing. If we're going to go to the shelter, we still got 3 more miles. We kind of passed the brook. We didn't really pass it. We made half a decision. I've got about 2 liters of water, so you know, if it gets to be too much, we got enough to stop and make it through the night. But we're going to push till it's obvious that it's just going to be too hard to make it. But as you can see, it's kind of hot out here right now. So, but we get this payoff, so it's all worth it. Let's hike on. Well, there's Smarts Mountain, and if you look close, you can see the tower right there. We are about 2 1/4. We'll see. Again, some hard hiking in here. Guess that would help. Inside of the shelter. So we made it to the Smart Mountain shelter. This is it. And the fire tower is back over there. We're gonna miss sunset, but we'll do our best to get sunrise. So right now there's me and 2 other people in here, and it's like 8:30, so I don't know, maybe a few more, 1 or 2, but the way up here is treacherous, so it wouldn't surprise me if we're the only ones. So, but you know, older shelter, but it'll be plenty good for tonight. We should sleep good after that hike. 23 miles and 7,500 feet of climb. That's a lot of climb. That's the most we've done since we were down south, without a doubt. So yeah, nice. We are definitely in New Hampshire. Well, we've eaten. We've done all our chores. We've hung up our wet clothes, and now we're going to get some sleep because we need it. After 23 miles and 7,500 feet of climb, we need a good night's rest. So we're going to go get it. So we hope you had a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.